vehicles on cover south side of
Eugene, Oregon, January 11th, 2025. Police respond to a trespassing call on River Road. A man's been seen taking scrap from a vacant property set for demolition. That man is 41-year-old Jehoshaphat Commandest. He says a neighbor told him he could take the materials. He tells officers he thought the property was abandoned, and he's willing to return everything. Dashcam footage shows Commandest cooperating. He's handcuffed without resistance, walked toward the patrol car. Then, according to a lawsuit, Officer Stephen Lam punches him in the face, grabs him by the throat, and tasers him multiple times while he's restrained.
0 to 27, respond. Code 3 cover the 3036 River Road, 146, and any other unit respond. Code 8 channel 1 for 3036 River Road.
146.
Commandest is charged with trespass and resisting arrest. The resisting charge is later dropped. He pleads guilty to trespass. He files a complaint. Investigators sustain it. Lam's force violated policy. Lam resigns in November 2025, still under state review. His partner, Officer Collier, remains on the job. In July 2026, Commandest sues the city for excessive force, seeking $1 million, citing a traumatic brain injury, a ruptured blood vessel in his eye, and facial trauma.